This is question number 46 of IIT JAM Economics 2021 paper. Let's see what the question has to say. In a small open economy, the desired savings and the desired investment are as follows, where RW is the world real interest rate. If the real interest rate in the world is 3%, the current account balance in the equilibrium would be. Okay. Now let's see this. I'm going to start by talking about the expenditure method. What does the expenditure method say? How do you calculate GDP? Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus NX. NX is basically my current account, isn't it? Because current account tells you export minus import, and NX also is export minus import. So ideally, my question is asking me to find out the value of this NX. Now, let's go ahead. Because nothing is mentioned about the government sector, I will assume that the government sector is 0. So I will say Y is equal to C plus I plus 0 plus NX. So I will get Y is equal to C plus I plus NX. Okay. What is Y minus C? Y minus C is savings. Income can either be consumed or saved. So income minus consumption is savings. So if I take this on the other side, I can say Y minus C is equal to I plus NX, or S is equal to I plus NX. Now, just understand the importance of this term. And I will actually explain this with including G also first. Usually, S is equal to I plus G plus NX. What does this say? This says that savings of any economy can be used to fund investment that is done by firms. So people will save their money, put it in the bank. Bank will give loan to firms, and firms will use it for the purpose of investment. Second, savings can be used by the government sector. How? Whenever the expenditure of the government is more than the revenue of the government needs money. And to use, to fund the expenditure, this money is going to come from the savings of the people. Government will issue bonds in the market. Government will issue securities in the market, and therefore will use the savings of the people. And third is net export. The saving of the people can be used to fund the current account deficit of any economy. So the savings can be used for the external sector to maintain external balance, for internal sector to maintain internal balance, and to spur the investment in any economy. Now, from here, I will get S minus I is equal to NX. So simple. They asked me to find current account balance. Current account balance will be saving minus investment. The equation of saving is given as 10 plus 100 RW. So this is 10 plus 100 RW. The equation of investment is 15 minus 100 RW. So minus 15 minus 100 RW. So this will be 10 plus 100 RW minus 15 plus 100 RW. This will be minus 5 plus 200 RW. It says that RW, which is the real interest rate, is 3%. So I will just put its value. So this will be minus 5 plus 200. 3% means 3 by 100. So this will be minus 5 plus 6, which will be 1. So the answer to this question is 1. This will be the current account balance. Okay, thank you.